And I'm so sorry for starting this vlog so late because I woke up very late. The event starts at 8 and I woke up at 7 and presently it's 7:44 and I'm leaving my hostel. But it's so difficult to walk on these pavements. Like crazily, my heels. Crazy shits I do and then post it on my YouTube channel. Seriously, walking barefoot. Yeah.
Let's just say random. Let us school.
Wait. You see them anyway? Is it school wise?
No, I don't think so. साथ में ही रहना है. 1 second. Let's just sit together. I don't think so. None of them are.
I don't know how do I look. I just got ready in just 30 minutes. I hope you are able to understand. Listen to me. A beautiful venue to be a part of. Like so honored, so grateful to the God for giving me a chance to sit here in the room with brilliant minds of India and abroad as well.
Rabindranath Tagore and Vikram Sarabhai, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. But before we deep dive into the opening ceremony, let us do something really interesting. Should we? Yeah. That does not sound like interesting. Should we?
Yes!
Somewhat like it. So, the other day I was watching Whiplash and I wanted something to happen, something similar to happen in the Oxford MU in India as well. So, we'll do...
Give the freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions, take the field now. You define us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our invitation. Celebration, it's around us. Every nation, it's around us. In the river, belongs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice the beautiful game and together enjoy the day. We'll all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like the waving flag. I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like the waving flag.
Tech and whatnot. You're talking about the likes of Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Emma Watson, Alia Bhatt, and so many. What's interesting is that they come from different backgrounds, different countries, different industries, and moreover, different generations altogether. But what is it that's common between all of them? What is it that unites them? The fact that all of them started when they were young. But do you know what unites them with you? It's the fact that they started when they were as young as you, when they were teenagers. They utilized their teenage to explore, to build, to learn, to practice, to fail, and sometimes perhaps begin again. Because, my friends, greatness doesn't wait for graduation. And neither should you. And if you have the same level of ambition as these people, then I've got 3 questions to ask you. But I'm only going to ask you if you promise me that you're going to reply to these questions in the most diligent manner, with utmost sincerity and utmost seriousness.
Education mirrors that the values that shape successful lives, includes research, preparation, collaboration, negotiation, and above all, empathy is something which we need to look at. This is something which is very crucial when we talk about the United Nations and the model United Nations. These are the same values we at Allen Global seek to instill in students as they prepare for the world's top universities and the challenges of a global future.
Here at Flame University in Pune, we are very happy to be back, as I said, and I can speak on behalf of my entire team to say that we have felt very welcome here in India, and we cannot wait to see how the conference develops. This year's conference is a landmark for Oxford India and the larger vision that we try to bring to you. We are proud to be part of like a broader knowledge festival where we have each pair joining for the Harvard Sustainability
International School of Airport. The Welland Girls School Dehradun. Can you have a huge round of applause? Next up we have NH Goel World School Raipur. Next up we have the Queen's College Indore. Put your hands together for the Daily College Indore.
This is a super break cricket ground, and oh my god, so many people, and all are from the best schools of India, and I think best. So honored to be here, and I have done my preparation. If you have seen my last vlog, my committee just changed at the last moment. So last time I was awake till very late night and I was studying about the committee, and unfortunately I woke up so late in the morning, like I put an alarm of 6 a.m. in the morning, and I don't know how, like in the sleep I probably went to my phone, like I declined the alarm and something like that. I woke up at 7 and I had breakfast at 7:30. So it's like crazy. I've done my makeup just in half an hour. So I'm not sure how do I look. It's like I don't like my look today for some reason. I really don't. And I'm in love with flames. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Like nothing can bring justice to this. Heading to the committee, our first committee. Super tired. My bag, I look like a professional. Like probably if I remove this school bag, because I have to carry my laptop as well, and I don't want to take any chances with it. I also I have cash with myself, so bag is necessary. And in this I have tripod and other necessary items for probably if you want that what I carry and what you should carry for the committee, you can give me in the comments and I'll make a video about it. For instance, I'm super tired. So much stress to walk on these with these heels on these blocks. Got into our building, that is Chanakya. Let's go. Zero, zero, one. Oh, wow. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Hi, good evening, ma'am. Good afternoon. Anya, I've kept my phone on that seat for you. Starting the mod topic, I will not be able to use my phone, so there won't be any vlog according to that because I'm working, and of course phones are not allowed in mod caucus. That is how it
given as well. That's what they
You know what I want to talk to you about this. You know what, later. I need to work on this
You can call me
one. Yeah, I'll call you. So now I'll present something that's like center, cross border. Abhi it's late. I think we should head to the committee. Let's go.
भारी डिस्कशन हो गई गाइस, भारी डिस्कशन हो गई। मेंबर बन गया, एक दिन में लीडर बन गया खानदान। सो सॉरी। Work table, and I'm representing Netherlands. Done with the mod committee session 1, committee session 2. Here to have the snacks and dinner. It's an amazing place to be actually. And doing my food, like eating my food, and then we have a power talk session right now. Power talk is the session where we put like motivation. So we have the founder of like, I'll not comment, the founder of Akash or something I have read. So he will be coming. So I'll finish my this lunch snacks kind of. I'll finish this.
Goyal is a professor in public policy and the founder director of Center for Knowledge Alternatives at the university, where he is developing large-scale documentation of district-level statistics and cultures across India. Sir's research interests include regulation, law and development, institutional economics, knowledge systems, informal markets, and cephalology. Sir is a member of National Education Policy Steering Committee, Government of Maharashtra, Regional Advisory Council member, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Government of India, and consultant, Procurement Research Cell, AJ National Institute of Financial Management. Sir sits on the academic board of the Indian School of Public Policy, which he helped set up. To such an elegant persona, can we have a huge round of applause?
Thank you so much. It's a little embarrassing to hear your own sort of introduction. So thank you for keeping it short, even though I wish it was shorter. Almost another day. And by the look of some of you here today, I think I should end in 5 minutes. I wish I could, because I have a huge task at hand. So what I'll try to do is, in the spirit of diversity and dialogue. Diversity, I don't know, but dialogue surely. Do I need this? Well, I don't want to be recorded. If I'm recorded, then I won't tell you things that I should be saying when I'm not recorded. Anyway, so I'll be more parliamentary in my discussions. Alliance and negotiation.
So guys, done with the first committee session. So it's done now, like officially the day 1 is closed, and now we are going for that what do we say, gala night. So it's like in about 1 hour, so we'll rest half an hour and then we will go, we'll just do makeup. And for the good news, I did not get a room partner, so I have used this bed, that bed, this. Don't mind the stuff, guys. I'm a very chaotic person. So overall the day was really good. I really loved what I did, and there are so many things to do more. So probably after I come from the party, I will do this. What do you say? I will do research about my country. Don't mind my look. I'm just super tired. I'm really so tired right now, like crazily tired. So yeah, I'll meet you guys when I go for the party. So yeah, but before that, I want to show you something. Oh, such a beautiful air and the view. It's seriously so pretty, like honestly very pretty. And there are a few people who are going to their rooms as well, so you can see them. Hi guys, ready for the Met Gala. I don't know how do I look like. I look really different. I think I need a pendant probably, because this is a pasara which I have created. I'm not carrying this. ignore guys. I need a pendant probably. Yeah, so I had it here just right now. I kept it somewhere and I don't know where. Heading to the Arjuna, that's the building where it's hosting, and I don't know if you are able to listen or not, but we can hear the music sounds. I'm pretty excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm more excited for tomorrow, because tomorrow we have to bring a date with us, like with whom we will dance. So I'm so excited. Like, not that way, but I found it otherwise. But anyone. Oh my god, this campus is so weird. Don't mind, guys, if the camera is unstable, because I'm walking, so maybe it's not that clear. But I can show you, and that's the field. I think the event is there only. Yes, the event is there only. Let's go. So happy, so excited. हमने बंदों को काम पे लगा रखा है फोटो निकालने के लिए.
फुल आना चाहिए पीछे के लिए और 1x में ले बेटा पहले ही सुन लो.
The struggle of Poland is real.
टेढ़ी नहीं लेनी है सीधी
ले रहा हूँ यार, मैं नहीं खींचता फोटो अंधी. ये है भाई असली स्ट्रगल, कमिटी क्राइसिस.
Men with efforts. मेरे बैग ले रहे हैं. ला भाई ला, बैग ला मेरे.
एंड कोई तू ये ऑडियो पकड़ ले एंड जस्ट पुट इट राइट हियर.
चलो चलो, कभी फेमस ही नहीं होगा. ये मेरी डेलीगेशन होती किंगडम ऑफ नेदरलैंड.
तेरी डेलीगेशन में एक दिन मरोगे मेरी टीम में आने के लिए. मैंने देखा था ये गेमर फिट का वो ऐसा वो
पूरी 6 मेजर कंट्रीज मेरे पास आई थी कोलैबोरेशन के लिए. तुम्हें से किसी मेरी GSL खत्म हो तो रशिया की पहली चिट आई थी. लेट्स एंड ऑल ओल्ड मैटर्स एंड स्टार्ट अ न्यू कोलैबोरेशन. US UK आए थे भाई. वी सेंस द मेजॉरिटी फ्रॉम यू.
हो गया, हम कल बात करेंगे कमिटी. ओह दिस इज क्रेजी भाई. I'm so excited. ऐसे तेरे को कोई डेट नहीं मिलेगी भाई. मैं पूछूं वो
इवेंट
में
का पूरा नाम क्या था यार?
गाला
गाला इवेंट का नाम.
गाला. बाय द वे वो मेरी अच्छी फ्रेंड्स है, मैं पूछूं उसको. वही जिसको डेट बनाया है तेरे को. ठीक है पूछो. Hi guys, done with the night. It was so amazing. Like we had so much fun. It was so pretty. Like seriously, I had this type of fun after a really long time, and we met amazing people. Like oh my god, I'm in love. Like the day was super pretty. The event was super pretty, and you can like look at from my look. Like I went with hairstyle, with earrings. I opened everything because like at a moment we were dancing so hard that it was not just like it was so bad. Like we were dancing so hard. सब सारा हेयर स्टाइल ईयरिंग सब निकल गई भाई. ऐसा मतलब पागलों की तरह नाचा भाई हमने. भाई बहुत मज़ा आया. Now I have to research about yeah, so now I have to research about Netherlands, and it's 12, like it's 11:30 at night right now. And yeah, it's 11:30 at night, and I have to do research. And tomorrow morning we have the power drill, so we are going for racing kind of marathon. I don't know what to expect actually, so let's see what happens. And yeah, so I'll end this vlog right here guys. I hope you love it, and you want to see the next part, then do make sure to subscribe to this channel and give me reviews. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.